Hi there. John here from Romania and welcome to part 3 of my online course about affiliate marketing. Please support me with a like to this video and subscribe to my channel so I can create more content like this one. Let's get started with part 3 of the course. First of all, I am going to talk about ClickBank and let me present this platform for you. In case you're thinking about how to bring in cash with ClickBank member advertising, this definite guide has all the responses for you. ClickBank has been around for over 2 decades in the subsidiary advertising business. However, it despite everything isolates prominent attitude like scarcely any other associate projects. You might have heard incredible things about it from certain advertisers. Be that as it may, you've likewise most likely heard individuals state it's a trick, a sham, an exercise in futility, and so on. I've even heard a famous speaker state it's a database of awful items nobody needs to purchase. He's correct. But on the other hand, he's off base. So what precisely is ClickBank, and is it still a practical offshoot stage for advertisers like you? That is the thing that this guide is about. Regardless of whether you're an all-out amateur, don't stress. I'll let you know definitely what ClickBank is, the means by which to make it work for you, and create a steady stream of associate commissions from it. Sounds interesting? Continue viewing, but before that please support me with a like, a comment to this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so I will notify you when I am creating new video just like this one. This is a platform where you can find very easy a lot of product from a lot of niche for you to promote. In the end of the course I will tell all you need to start this kind of business, and I will give you a free tool to help you grow your business. I will give you a beginner's intro so all of you can understand what is ClickBank. ClickBank is among the main associate systems for computerized items like ebooks, video instructional exercises, and programming. It has been around since 1998, has in excess of 200 million clients around the world, and cases to have made in excess of 1,000 tycoons through its foundation. So let's jump in my computer to show some things that you may need. Here is what it looks like your dashboard after you join for absolutely free. In the left side you have all the niche that you can possibly find on the internet. Click one of this and find a multiple product to promote. Here you can arrange the search by gravity, the best choice you will made. Click on promote button and generate your affiliate link that will be very long and almost nobody will click on this kind of link. Go to tinyurl.com and make your link more pretty. Now you can create a YouTube channel and talk about this product and leave the link in the description. You can create a Facebook business page and share posts in groups that related to your niche. You can create an Instagram account and share there your value information. You can create article and find platform that write about your niche and bring your content there. Thank you for watching part 3 of my online course. Subscribe to my channel to see when the course is done.